Do you have any experience with castor oil? It is well liked throughout many cultures. This is all a result of its extraordinary health advantages. You may use castor oil on the face, hair, and skin. Some people even suggest using it right before bed. Vegetable oil with several uses, such as castor, has been around for a long time. Its roots may be found in India, where it is employed as an antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and digestive-soothing ingredient in Ayurvedic treatment. The Ricinus communis plant seeds are used to extract the oil. Castor oil is used in a wide range of pharmaceutical, industrial, and medical products. It is a widely used ingredient in a variety of goods, including medications, industrial lubricants, skincare items, and biodiesel fuel. However, are the results that everyone is raving about true? In today's video, we'll talk about how castor oil can help you sleep better. Let's get started. Number 1. Helps treat insomnia. Do you have difficulty falling asleep at night? We all experience this occasionally, much like constipation. It seems that those who lack sleep might also benefit from castor oil. This is a common sleeping disorder that many individuals experience. It's challenging for insomniacs to get to sleep. Even when they do ultimately fall asleep, it's hard for them to keep it up. Once they wake up, it is quite difficult for them to fall back asleep. This wears them out and makes them lethargic all day. Anyone who has gone through this understands how it may affect their productivity and professional effectiveness. The rest of your life will be impacted by this. People, therefore, use medication to address their irregular sleeping habits. The problem here is that people frequently abuse and become addicted to prescription drugs because they take them excessively. Some people may think things are hopeless if the medications don't work. On the other hand, castor oil could be a good choice. You might try taking a tiny amount of it if you're having difficulty falling asleep. It's straightforward. Just top your eyelashes with castor oil before going to bed. This will let you unwind and go to sleep. Number 2. It helps with dry skin. Are you sick and wary of your dry skin? Even if you use a lot of creams and lotions, your skin will still be dry after a few hours. The worst feeling ever, especially if you want to go out in public. You feel as though others are staring closely at you. In that situation, castor oil is your best buddy. It might perhaps function as a natural moisturizer. Ricinoleic acid is a component of castor oil, a special kind of monounsaturated fatty acid for moisturizing your skin. They make sure that your skin's outer layer doesn't lose any water. Castor oil is present in all moisturizing cosmetics if you look at their ingredients list. You may apply this oil to both your face and the rest of your body. Other skin-friendly oils, like coconut and almond oil, are regularly used with castor oil. Castor oil is thick, so mixing it with other oils might create a moisturizer that is incredibly moisturizing. However, carry out a patch test first before jumping on the castor oil bandwagon. Castor oil might cause allergic responses in some people. Starting with a tiny piece of skin is preferable. The back of your hand can be all that is necessary. You don't have to use products from the shop, though, to moisturize. Instead, castor oil can be given right away. By doing this, you can stay away from the other potential harmful ingredients in these cosmetics that could irritate your skin and do more harm than good. Not only would you be reducing your exposure to these damaging substances, but castor oil is far more affordable, so you would also be saving a significant amount of money. Number 3. Helps promote healthy and shiny hair. What benefits does castor oil provide for hair? Like the properties of coconut oil, castor oil may stimulate quicker, thicker, stronger, and shinier hair growth. When used to treat hair felting, a condition in which hair becomes so knotted and coiled that it hardens into a mass like stone, it can help detangle hair. Does castor oil promote hair growth? Your hair may grow more quickly because of it, as it can help increase blood flow to your follicles. As such, in addition to the hair on one's head, it is occasionally used on the eyebrows and eyelashes. Ricinoleic acid may be able to cure hair loss by controlling the male hormone prostaglandin D2 or PGD2. Try adding a few drops of castor oil to your conditioner once or twice a week if your hair is medium to thick and prone to frizz. This will make your conditioner richer and will smoothen your hair. Apply castor oil to your hair and cover it with a shower cap before going to bed. As soon as you wake up, lightly brush your hair before hopping in the shower to give it a shampoo and conditioner treatment. You might need to shampoo your hair twice to make sure there's no castor oil residue. Number 4. A natural laxative. Having trouble using the bathroom? We all occasionally engage in it. Don't be scared then. Castor oil has diuretic effects. That's accurate. Castor oil can be beneficial if you're experiencing constipation or other gastrointestinal problems. Many individuals agree with this. Experts have even given their approval for its usage as a stimulant laxative. A stimulant laxative works by making the muscles that move food through your intestines work harder. It facilitates bowel motions. These laxatives are used by people who need to cure temporary constipation or clear their intestines in preparation for medical treatment. Castor oil is consumed orally. Consuming castor oil causes your body to break it down, releasing ricinoleic acid into your small intestine. This acid, which has a laxative effect, is absorbed by the intestines. Numerous studies have demonstrated the laxative effects of castor oil. In a study of older people, using castor oil helped reduce the signs and symptoms of constipation. Additionally, it made sure that you weren't straining to go to the bathroom. In another study, castor oil was discovered to aid in bowel movements of individuals before treatments like colonoscopies. Number 5. Improve immune function. Castor oil's potent immune supportive properties are one of the main reasons why support for the body's lymphatic system is one of its qualities. The evacuation of surplus fluids, proteins, and waste materials from our cells is an essential function of the lymphatic system, which is made up of microscopic tube structures throughout the body. Blood flow, the health of the thymus gland, and other areas of the immune system have all been found to benefit from the use of castor oil. The treatment of arthritic pain, backaches, constipation, and digestive problems has long been done using castor oil and other plant-based materials. A tiny double-blind study that was published in the Journal of Naturopathic Medicine found that patients who applied castor oil packs to their abdomens produced considerably more lymphocytes than those who used placebo packs. The immune system's initial line of defense against external invaders, including germs and poisons, is comprised of lymphocytes. Because the lymphatic system has an impact on these other systems, oil from the plant is occasionally used to treat constipation and digestive problems. Number 6. Helps to heal wounds. Castor oil helps speed up recovery from injuries. If taken properly, castor oil can help you in this situation. Before you get your hopes up, castor oil is unable to treat major wounds. You should see a doctor as soon as you can if you have a serious disease. On the other hand, castor oil will enable you to let go of anything manageable and modest. Castor oil creates a moist environment around a lesion that keeps the sores from drying up. One of the most popular wound dressings is called Benelux. It is recommended by doctors. Castor oil is a component of this ointment. Also, to another balm called Perobalsam, the treatment of burns, skin ulcers, and wounds from surgery. Castor oil is effective for treating wounds, according to several studies. In one trial, a surgical lesion in the abdomen of an 81-year-old man who was unable to tolerate any other treatments was treated with a spray made from Peruvian balsam, castor oil, and the enzyme trypsin. The possibility of other ingredients in castor oil containing ointments should be considered. To determine whether the ointments are safe to apply to the lesion you intend to cure, speak with your doctor before using them just because they include castor oil. We are curious as to whether castor oil offers any additional advantages, given its therapeutic properties. You'll be shocked to hear that it does. There you have it, everyone. There are 6 great reasons why adding castor oil to your nighttime routine might revolutionize your approach to self-care. Castor oil certainly packs a punch when it comes to producing thick, healthy hair, nourishing gorgeous skin, and even assisting with a restful night's sleep. Never forget that practicing self-care is a way of life. So why not reward yourself by using castor oil? Give it a shot and watch the magic happen when you awaken feeling renewed and revitalized. If you found these suggestions useful, don't forget to click the thumbs up button and be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on more awesome content. Till next time.